everybody, I'm Stephanie with WTI, and I have the product that will keep you and your family nice and manicured. What this is the G.Liane crystal nail file. Why I really love it is that it's working just as well as when I first got it. I've had it a while now, and it always keeps my nails looking nice and crisp and clean. And as opposed to those like little pink cheap nail files that I used to buy, and I would use them, wear them out, throw them away, this I can use a long time. It's good for the environment because I don't have to keep rebuying it over and over, and the whole family can use it and it still doesn't wear out. Also, to keep it nice and fresh, they included this nice little cleaning cloth, and it also has a case. I appreciate these things because I can lose things, so this way it has everything in one place and it keeps it also nice and new looking. I wouldn't hesitate, go ahead and get yourself one, and that is my point of view.